Okay, so let's say your purpose for coming to the site was actually not just to register, but to create your own. Well, the way that that would work is you'd create an event by clicking Create Event. And for our case, we probably want to have a half-baked half marathon. So we're going to enter that name right here, the half-baked half. And of course, the organization is half-baked. So we will put in the link right here, gethalfbaked.com, and we'll upload a logo. Now I don't have half-baked's logo, but for this demo, we'll just use bold. There. Welcome to the half-baked half. For runners of all ages and stages. And we're gonna set it for next week. It will be Sunday the 14th at, let's just say everything starts at 5:30 a.m. 5:20 because it's there. And if you have a nice banner image, you can of course upload it. And we're gonna just select random location. We can do it right here where I am in Kingston, Jamaica. Or we could just do San Francisco. So let's just do the Bay Area here. And by using Leaflet's map, we're able to actually give you this beautiful mapping without having to pay the high Google Maps API fees. So we're gonna just select any district. We'll just select the Sunset District. And we want to tell them where the parking is as well. So let's do Bay Area. Now, thankfully, the parking is not in the ocean, but it's also right around the area of this race. And we'll just choose right here at the church. You can say park at the church. Cool. Now you can add your own races. So these are the actual events within the event. So for our half, we're gonna just do 5K. We're gonna set the price to $10. That's cheap. $10. We're gonna say that one starts a little bit later, so that will be 6 a.m. And then if you have a GPX, which is the GPS positioning file that you can export from many racing apps, then you can select it here. I'm just going to use this GPX from online for the Bratislava half, because it also represents half. We'll say pickup can be done at the start line. Get there early and ensure that you are registered. Great. And just like that, your half is created. The half-baked half is live. And so if you want to register, you can of course select your race and the persons from your family or your group who are actually running, and you complete registration. And because the information is already loaded, you'll be fine. You'll be able to do the purchase right here and have each of them registered. Okay, a couple cool other features that I think you'd want to know about if you're actually managing a race on GoodFinish. The first is that you'll also be able to start any timing by going to /timing for that same race. And if you are the race manager, currently we have 3 modes of setup. So you can do manual entry, which nobody would ever want to do, but in a small race of maybe 10 people, like family and friends, you could say bib number 123 ran this amount. You have live mode, where you'll just let the timer run from the race starts, and then when people cross the line, you just tap and it will add them here. And you can assign the bibs afterwards. And then of course you have computer vision mode. Here is that you would be able to put your bib to the screen and then have it get scanned, and it will also capture the bib right here. So we simulate it here by saying bib number 428 was captured, and so the time for that run was this. Now we're also working on a more proprietary version. You're like proprietary in a hackathon, and you're going to be able to use what's called a runner beacon. So I'll show you a quick demo of how this works. Basically, this allows you to do tracking without having a bib. So how ChronoTrack works, and I should put this at the start of the video, just in case you guys don't watch all the way to the end. But ChronoTrack listens to your device and then tracks the frequency. So each runner would have a frequency that they're assigned, and it will track when they're coming and going. So let's say I'm runner number 2 and I want to put it on channel 2. All I do is start beacon and look closely at the live feed. So it tracks how close and far the runner is from the microphone that's picking it. This way, you can collect timing information without expensive timing mats or RFID tracking on bibs, and you're able to let persons use their smartwatch or their phone, which they're going to run with anyway. Outside of that, I think the coolest parts of this platform are the ease of use. So you'd be able to add other members to your passport if you have people in your group that you register for regularly, and they'll be able to be represented here, and you can quickly register for them. And at this point, that is GoodFinish. So I hope you enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making it, and I am going to enjoy continuing to build it up. All right, peace. Thank you. Auf Wiedersehen.